Akiaria hindi ya guthurima mihang'o ya waki wa gicukiro kieru kia mirigo kaunti-ini ya Lamu, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya UGITIRI wa thiini Karanja Kibico augite waki ucio urathie na mbere o ta uria ubangitwo. Kibico augite ona thengia wa gukorwo kaunti no igumeirwo ni ciiko cia UHAGUKU wa UGITIRI gutire mihang'o o yothe egie waki uyu igukorwo igitharara kana kurugama.
There is a lot of work going on. It has nothing to do with the Lamu port. I think it's insecurity as we know it. It's a vulnerable place. There is an operation that has been going on for a long time around Boni, and I think it is far-fetched to imagine that it would affect the operations at the port.
Hamwe noguo ni atheretie na kweheria wagagu na guoya uria ukoretwo kirite kaunti-ini no wigi UGITIRI, agikinyiriria ati thirikari ni yambikite birigiceni ya kuhitana na ito iria ikoretwo ikinyarira aikari.
If you pay attention to the security operation going on there, it's massive, and we expect in a very short time Lamu will be very calm, because we have deployed every effort on earth to ensure that those people are repulsed.
Aikari kaunti-ini no maraikara mahugitie matu kumana na tharikira cia mahinda kwa mahinda. Kibico akihinyiriria thirikari nirikitie kurekereria mbutu ya UGITIRI aria megutigirira thayu ni wacokereria.
It came at the time when the country was calm and peaceful. The issue of the Al-Shabaab threat, the issue of insecurity threat around that area is an issue that we have to live with for a very long time.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.